Blessed day, church! Welcome to the TGFF News.
Here we give you the freshest and the latest updates sa mga nagapangitabo sa atong church. Unsa mo din mga highlights karon nga month?
Katong last April 14, 2012, nagpahitabo ang Youth Reload.
Yes, Youth Reload.
Dinhi sa Rikina Extension.
With the theme,
Dream High.
We had 15 first-timers and more or less 80 ka young people nga nag-attend that time.
Og first time, Joy, na nagpangitabo ang movie marathon, ang Youth Reload.
Grabe of creativity for this month.
Yes, for it talks about excellence, right?
Another highlight for this month is ang Encounter. Last April 4 to 6, 2012 sa Mansion sa mga Digman. It was the first time nga nakahold, for the first time really nga, ang TJFF Mangagoy Church nakahold of Encounter. It was a very powerful and victorious event, all for the glory of God.
Og after sa encounter, ang kato nag-encounter nga mga delegates, muproceed sila sa post-encounter. Nagaklase sila 5 p.m. every Wednesday, then Sunday 3 p.m. sa TGFF Center. Then, kinahanglan sila moagi sa post-encounter before sila makaproceed sa SOL1. So guys, be committed sa process. Nalantay 2 na lang ka classes ng panghitabo. Karong hapon o karong Wednesday. So guys, dapat inyong kumplituhon and excellent yun.
Youth Reload believes that we can do more and do our best for God. That is why we present to you Excellence Workshop. It's a 4-day activity and symposium in multimedia ministry, technical, dance, music, ushering, consolidating people, and stage directing. This will start tomorrow, April 23 to 26, 2012. And what's good about this? Admission is free. Just have your names listed at the back or at the registration area or look for Ate Yansky Rikina for more details.
And this is the most important announcement. Guys, mga cell leaders, mga network leaders, kinahanglan mahimutang committed sa ato ang cell. So, kinahanglan i-attend nato ato ang cell every week. So, katong mga wala pay open cells, contact sa mga cell leaders kay nag-deserve po sila sa inyo nga i-cell mo. So, guys, be prepared pag yun, be transform pag yun kang Lord through cell group. So, kinahanglan, ma-attend taan na every week. So, natin ipang-assign, natin mga assign nga mga adlaw, mga assign po nga mga taong ato ang duulon ana. So, kinahanglan ta encourage one another for God's glory. So, mudagan ta, pinaagi aning cell group. So, attend, be committed, aning cell group na.
This Wednesday will be the Leaders Summit from 7 p.m. to 9 p.m.
So, karong Wednesday ganyan sa Joy.
Yes.
Kung feel ni mo nga leader ka, o gusto ka mahimong leader, attend sa aning Leaders Summit.
Come on. Yes, and that's all for the update for this week. Keep updated for more. See you next week.
Bye.